Welcome to our CSS Flexbox tutorial, where we'll delve into the power of Flexbox to create stunning and responsive web layouts. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Flexbox offers a flexible and intuitive way to design your web pages. Hey there, style wizards and code fashionistas. If you're enjoying these tips on making your website look as stylish as a runway model, and you are ready to level up your style game, hit subscribe for weekly CSS fashion tips and tricks. Stay ahead of the trends and join the chic squad now. Now, let's discuss the basic structure of Flexbox. Flexbox relies on a parent container and its child elements. The parent container is set to display Flex, which activates Flexbox mode. Then, the child elements within this container become flexible items that can be arranged and aligned according to the Flexbox properties applied to the parent container. This simple structure forms the foundation of Flexbox layouts, allowing for flexible and dynamic arrangements of content. Flexbox relies on a flexible layout model, allowing elements within a container to adjust dynamically based on available space and screen size. This makes it perfect for building responsive designs that look great on any device. Now, let's take a look at some real-world examples of Flexbox in action. Imagine you have a navigation menu with several items. With Flexbox, you can easily align these items horizontally or vertically, adjust spacing between them, and even control their alignment within the container. In another scenario, you might have a card-based layout, where each card needs to maintain a consistent height regardless of its content. Flexbox makes it a breeze to achieve this, ensuring your design remains clean and professional looking across different screen sizes. But Flexbox is more than just a responsive design tool. With its powerful alignment and distribution features, you can easily control the positioning and spacing of elements within your layout. From aligning items along the main and cross axes to controlling the order and size of elements, Flexbox gives you precise control over your layout with minimal effort. The Justify Content property is used to align the flex items. The center value aligns the flex items at the center of the container. The Flex Start value aligns the flex items at the beginning of the container. This is default. The Flex End value aligns the flex items at the end of the container. The Space Around value displays the flex items with space before, between, and after the lines. The Space Between value displays the flex items with space between the lines. The Align Items property is used to align the flex items. The center value aligns the flex items in the middle of the container. The Flex Start value aligns the flex items at the top of the container. The Flex End value aligns the flex items at the bottom of the container. The Stretch value stretches the flex items to fill the container. This is default. The Baseline value aligns the flex items such as their baselines aligns. The Flex Direction property defines in which direction the container wants to stack the flex items. The Column value stacks the flex items vertically from top to bottom. The column reverse value stacks the flex items vertically, but from bottom to top. The row value stacks the flex items horizontally from left to right. The row reverse value stacks the flex items horizontally, but from right to left. The flex wrap property specifies whether the flex items should wrap or not. The wrap value specifies that the flex items will wrap if necessary. In simple words, if there is space on screen, element will stay, otherwise it will go below. The no wrap value specifies that the flex items will not wrap. This is default. And once you've mastered the basics, you can explore advanced Flexbox techniques to take your designs to the next level. Whether it's creating complex grid layouts or building custom UI components, the possibilities with Flexbox are endless. Thanks for watching.